call upon our first contestant, CA Vaibhav Balar ji.
Thank you very much, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible, sir? Is my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, visible.
Yes, it is visible.
So thank you very much for AI and ICI for selecting me and giving me an opportunity to present my use case. And I'm CM Vaibhav Balar, and I'm heading from Surat. And my today's use case is about the redaction the text within the PDF. The tool that I'm going to present that I have made entirely using the AI only, that is smart redaction, smart PDF redactor. So in the AI era, we have found that we are not in the area where we are not safer. We are sharing the data like anything to the various GPTs and various platforms, third-party tools as well. So to secure and work in the privacy manner, I have think upon that and developed one tool that redact the text within the PDF. So what do I mean by redacting the text? You can see in the screen the black part is the redacted. So it is not just about the black out the things. It is more about the remove the entire text from the entire document as well. So as I talked in the privacy AI era, we are not much more in the safer zone, but we at the same time we need to consider about the DPDP Act are there because the strengthened provision and the big penalties are there in DPDP Act, like from starting from the 10,000 to 250 crores penalties are there. So it becomes a compulsion for all of us to maintain the protection of personal information whenever we share the with the any of the medium. So with that aim, I have started to develop the application by using Python, and I have started my journey with the several GPTs, and I moved myself to the vibe coding platform because of the some certain constraint limitation are there, and I found best solution while working in the with the vibe coding platform. So basically, it supports the entire code base accessible. So these are the functionality that I have introduced in my tool. That like find and redact, drag and select, then redact. Then double click and select that pop-up will come. We'll see in them demonstration part as well. Then pattern based select. Then we can export the same pattern to in JSON format so that we can use in future for other document as well. And then manual redaction also will be there in my tool. So for that, I have used technology stack Python, Kinter as a GUI based for graphic user interface, and PyMovDF for manipulating the text within the PDF, and Git repository for saving my entire code base. So let me move to my demonstration part. So before going to demonstration part, I want to say that before the redaction with some other tool was not much more smarter than this tool. You will be agree on the statement. So let me show my demonstration of the tool. So is my screen visible that I'm showing the code part? Right?
Yes, very much visible.
So I'm running the code by hitting the command. My application is been launched, and here the several menus are there. We will go through about one by one. Let me select the demo document. Yeah, it's a demo document. So let me first introduce the functionality, find functionality. Let's suppose I want to demo street and select and copy and want to add in the find. Here it will ask me to save apply in current page or all of the page. I will select all of the page. I will add the same pattern. So all the patterns will be saved here only. Likewise, same drag and select functionality. It will ask with the relatable pop-up, actually face and match. I'll select that as well, and it will add in pattern menu as well. Then I tap on the mobile number as well. Then it will pop up with the mobile number it has detected. I'll select all the mobile number within the document will be added in the pattern as well. Likewise, same I'm selecting from the quick menu. quick money is about the normal patterns that I have designed: Aadhaar card, PAN card, GST number, dates, email. I am selecting emails. So it has automatically selected the emails. I am selecting the URL. So it has selected all of the URL. You can see the all of the URL having not only .com, that also has been covered by this pattern based recognition tool, right? So let me move on with the custom patterns. In custom pattern, normally text based pattern I have addressed, but because of the limited time constraint, will not be able to share the demo of the entire patterns. Let me select context over part. It is the likewise I want to select the Grammarly word, and within the Grammarly word only I want to redact only some of the portion of the, like, I have selected Grammarly word and I want to redact only the double M from it. It will add and it will find all of the Grammarly word and it will only select the double M from the entire Grammarly word, right? So likewise, same other pattern are there. Like I want to select will bot and I copy the same. An entire line containing this code, then I'll add this pattern. So it will automatically select the entire line, right? And this is the whatever the pattern we have made, it will add, keeps on adding in this area. Later on, we can export the same as well for future use case. Like it is a manual redaction tool. So where I will draw the, so it has three functionality. So in visual part, it will only visually redact. It will not completely remove the text from it. Likewise, I draw the visual part. Then I'll maximum with the maximum security. I'll draw another rectangle to remove the maximum with the text as well. So with that, I'm hitting the apply redaction part. It will pop up and I'll save the same document and it will process and it will ask me to go to output folder. So you can see how it has redacted all this information beautifully. So here is a visual part. So likewise, I am selecting the text. It has redacted only visually. So all these text within the turn, blogs and are still are there. Only redacted within the image. And in this area, it has redacted entirely with the by removing the text as well, right? So let's move ahead with the application again. I'll be having the option to export the same. See, here also the all the figures that have I identified with the all the patterns, it gets updated. While it's moved on the second page, it has only detected the URLs only, right? So I'm exporting the patterns and selecting the exporting the patterns, and I'm opening the another document. This is the bank statement. Again, is the demo bank statement. I imported. I will apply this all the exported patterns to it. So it has automatically applied all the patterns. See, it has detected the URL for me. All the pattern is been loaded here. So like further, I want to go with the some further redaction in this tool in this document. Then I can select and it will automatically pop up this accounting figure as it identified. I can add all these accounting figures in the entire all this 114 page. It will identify. Again, I want to select the dates on. Then all the dates can be identified. So likewise, I can implement n number of the patterns into it. Like I want to select RMV extension word only. Then I can select it. Yeah. So likewise, all the RMV extension word will be rejected from the entire document. So this is the entire portion of the my application. Then let me move on with the further presentation part. Yes. So this entire code was developed using Python code, and I have used regex, regular expression to identify all the pattern-based text. So further, what are the further enhancement can be possible in this tool? So we can integrate the NER or PII library, that is name entity recognition. In name entity recognition, what will it do? I will be able to identify all the name type of data, like the document, my personal name, my entity name, my business name, bank name, etc. Name kind of information can be identified automatically. In PII detection, all the personal kind of data can be identified in more smarter way. Same with I can further enhancement can be possible in this tool with the OCR integration as well. So wherever the image part comes, the OCR will be automatically detect the text format, and it will help us to redact the text within the document, which is in the form of image. Multi-language can be also be integrated in this tool. For batch processing, likewise I was processing the batch with the exporting and importing the patterns that I have designed in the tool. But in case of the same pattern, you want to apply in the entire many documents, same kind of many documents, then batch processing can be integrated in this tool. So in further enhancement, I am going to work on this area in my tool as well. So why it is important to redact and use this kind of smart PDF redaction tool? Because it is 100% offline solution, no more cloud dependency, zero data exposure, and most important, it is aligned ourselves with the compliance that are there in the, as I mentioned, that DPDP Act is there with the lender of penalties. Many penalties are there. So protecting data is no more optional. It is compulsion for all of us to protect ourselves while we sharing the data with the third parties, or while we seeking the solution from the various GPT as well. And also align with the industry standard and meet the DPDP Act requirement. We need to use this kind of PDF redaction functionality. So that is from my side, and I'm here open for juries to answer the questions.
Yeah. That's a great use case, like very much needed for any professional, whether he's using some kind of data with the before taking that data onto AI. This is a very much tool which everybody needs on the desktop or laptop before taking the data into. I would like to ask Rama sir to ask his questions first, then I'll take mine.
Okay, yeah, Vaibhav, that's a very nice use case. I understand, but let me ask you some basic questions. See, for a chartered accountant, the PAN, the name of the entity, the GSTN, like like a lot of personal identification numbers,
Yes.
DIN number, SIN number.
Yes.
Is this tool will do, or by default it will remove everything, or should we need to identify that those personal identifiers in this PDF?
Sir, basically what I said, further enhancement can be possible with this tool with the help of NER, and in next stage I'm going to integrate those libraries in this tool. So it will be work it will able to find all these patterns like PAN card data. PIL libraries are there for that purpose. But right now in my you can see in my screen, quick patterns I have introduced many Aadhaar card, credit card, dates, email address, GST number. If you select GST number, it will automatically identify all of the GST number within the document. See, this is the HDFC GST number. So whatever the GST numbers are there, it will automatically find based on the regex patterns. Some certain regex patterns are there to design and identify such kind of personal kind of data. But after adopting the NER and PIR, yes, we will be able to automatically find all this information without tapping, and any of the options are there in the tool.
Thank you, Vaibhav. Over to you, Kumar.
Yes, sir. Vaibhav, do we have the option of uploading multiple PDFs at a single time? Like say, suppose we are having 5 bank statements.
As I said, this is in the further step. I'm going to introduce the functionality of the
Okay.
bulk processing of the functionality. But yes, the same as I said that whenever the select any of the new document, we have let's suppose we have exported all the patterns there are there.
Mhm.
We will be able to export the same, and
Yeah,
then
correct.
we export the same, and whenever the
Yeah,
we
correct.
work with the new documents, it will automatically fetch those
Yeah.
information which I have trained before.
These exported patterns, will it work on even as different bank statements? Suppose now I see you are using some HDFC banks. Suppose if I apply that same pattern on Kotak and other UCO bank, it will be working good, right?
Yes, everywhere the data is be there, then it will not differentiate the documents whether it be from the other bank
Okay.
or because it's a pattern based.
Okay, okay. And have you tested your redact file, giving it to ChatGPT and asking to trace back the text, whether like is it completely erasing the text or the AI is still able to read the text behind the masked data?
Let me show you one redacted file. Yeah, it is redacted file. Before presenting the GPTs, it will time taking process, but let me assure you. Let's suppose we have redacted. Uh, yeah, OpenAI.com we have redacted, right? So in this, I'll try to find OpenAI.com. It will fail to identify. That means the GPT as well will not able to identify that information because it is completely removed from the document.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Like it's a very good use case, and even your tool UI is also looking great. I think you have kept a lot of effort in that. So you have used Tincter, right, for the UI?
Yeah, Tinker as a UI
Okay.
interface.
Okay, Vaibhav. Thank you.
Thank you.